Hi, it's Dali here from Dali Art, and I'm talking about our new sea blue ShokART pad. And we've got a workshop where you can get the pad, you can get this really beautiful board, plus a few embellishments, and you'll be getting a little bit of this glitter as well. And then you'll be making this. So if you can see how 3D that is. And this is a project that we'll be doing on the 27th of August. So I'll try and hold it a bit stiller because otherwise you'll all be dizzy. But can you see how beautiful that is? And we will be making this. So anybody who wants to join us, we will put all the links below. And Pip and I would really appreciate it if you could. And you'll be able to make this. We do put a list of all the products. So if you've got the products, you can obviously use those products, but we give you the basics to actually have the foundation for your projects, i.e. the papers and the board and a few of the embellishments. And then the rest of it's up to you. Either you can purchase it or you can actually use something that you've already got in your stash. So this is absolutely beautiful. I hope you like it. I'm going to put it down. I'm going into the sea. Here we go. We've landed. So there you go. So it's a small project, and you'll have lots of paper left over to make other projects. And I know Pip's already got another project that you've all asked for, so we'll be launching that soon. So I want to say thank you, and hopefully see you again doing the sea blue. Bye for now.